What if you could start testing products without buying inventory up front and without manually handling every part of the process yourself? That's exactly what I wanted to try in this video. I'm going to show you how I'd use Hustle Got Real to set up the workflow from scratch, connecting a store, finding products, building listings with AI, monitoring stock and prices, and then looking at how the order side can be automated too. So if you've ever wanted to start selling on eBay or other online marketplace, but didn't want to hold stock or manage everything manually, this is the full walkthrough. A lot of people are interested in selling online, but the part that usually stops them is everything that comes after the idea. Finding products, writing listings, keeping track of stock, checking if suppliers' prices change, making sure you didn't sell something that's unavailable, and then dealing with orders if a sale actually comes in. That's where tools like Hustle Got Real become interesting, because instead of treating eBay selling like a giant manual process, it gives you a system to actually manage the workflow. So in this video, I'm not just going to talk about the platform in theory, I'm going to walk through the actual process of using it and show you how it can help if your goal is to test products on eBay without buying inventory up front.
So first, what exactly is Hustle Got Real? At a high level, it's an AI-powered dropshipping automation platform designed for online sellers across multiple marketplaces, including eBay, Amazon, Shopify, WooCommerce, Facebook Marketplace, and TikTok Shop. Instead of managing everything manually across different tabs, spreadsheets, supplier websites, and marketplaces, Hustle Got Real helps sellers automate the parts that usually take the most time: finding products, creating and optimizing listings, keeping stock and prices updated, monitoring supplier changes, and managing order workflows more efficiently. What makes the platform especially interesting is that it isn't designed just for experienced sellers. Whether you're launching your first online store or already selling across multiple marketplaces, the goal is to remove repetitive manual work so you can focus more on growing your business instead of constantly managing it. One of the most exciting things Hustle Got Real is working on is its upcoming AI agent. Instead of simply offering tools to help manage your store, the vision is to have an intelligent assistant that works alongside you throughout your entire selling journey. Think of it as your own AI-powered store assistant, helping you manage listings, monitor products, identify opportunities, and simplify day-to-day operations. It's still being finalized, but it's a clear look at where the platform is heading, making e-commerce management smarter, faster, and far more hands-off. On screen, I'd show the connection process, navigate through the dashboard, and highlight how simple it is to start managing your online business from a single interface. Once everything is connected, we're ready to move on to the next step: finding products and building listings. Now we get into the practical side, finding products to put in the store. If your goal is to test eBay products without buying stock up front, then product selection matters a lot, because you're not just looking for random items, you're looking for products you can realistically list and manage. So inside Hustle Got Real, I'd start by browsing through the available product options and narrowing down items that make sense for testing. What I like about this kind of workflow is that it removes a lot of the friction between "I want to try selling something" and "I actually have a product ready to go live." Instead of jumping between supplier sites, copying information manually, and rebuilding everything from scratch, you can work from inside the platform and focus on choosing products you want to test. At this point in the video, I'd pick a product, or maybe a couple of products, and explain why I'm choosing them. Not in a complicated way, just something practical like, I want something that already has a clear product page, looks easy to list, and makes sense as a first test product, because that's the real mindset here. This isn't about pretending we already have a massive store. It's about showing how someone could realistically start with a product test and use the platform to move from idea to live listing much faster. Once I've picked a product, the next step is creating the listing, and this is where Hustle Got Real starts showing the value of its AI features. Instead of writing every title and description manually, the platform includes AI-powered tools that help generate and optimize listing content much faster. I can use AI to improve product titles, create more polished descriptions, organize product details, and prepare listings for publication with far less manual work. Another feature worth highlighting is the AI Publisher, which helps streamline the publishing process even further, making it easier to prepare products for multiple marketplaces without repeating the same work over and over again. On screen, I'd show the product, generate the listing with AI, make a few refinements, and compare the before and after result so viewers can clearly see how much time AI can save. And rather than treating AI like a flashy gimmick, I'd frame it as a practical advantage. The less time spent writing listings manually, the more time you can spend testing products, improving your business, and finding new opportunities. Once the listing is ready, the next step is publishing it. This is where everything we've done so far starts turning into a real online selling workflow. Instead of manually rebuilding listings for different marketplaces, Hustle Got Real helps streamline the publishing process so you can get products live much faster. One thing I like is that the platform isn't designed around just a single marketplace. Whether you're selling on eBay, Amazon, Shopify, WooCommerce, Facebook Marketplace, or TikTok Shop, Hustle Got Real is built to help manage that workflow from one place rather than constantly switching between different dashboards. On screen, I'd publish the product and then spend a few moments exploring the listing management area. This is where you can see why automation becomes so valuable. As you add more products, keeping everything organized manually quickly becomes difficult. Having one platform to manage listings, monitor changes, and make updates helps keep the entire business much easier to run as it grows. Before we move on to inventory and order management, there's one of Hustle Got Real's newest features that I think deserves its own spotlight. MCP, or Model Context Protocol, allows compatible AI assistants like Claude or Codex to connect directly with your Hustle Got Real account. Instead of simply answering general questions, these AI tools can actually work with your real store data. For example, they can inspect your listings, review stock and price signals, analyze product information, and help you work with your store using real business context instead of isolated prompts. In this video, I'll install MCP and show how it works inside the terminal so you can see what this looks like in practice. I think this is one of the most exciting additions because it connects AI assistants directly to your actual business workflow instead of keeping them separate from your store. And that's where the upcoming AI agent becomes even more exciting. Rather than using AI for one task at a time, Hustle Got Real is building an AI agent that's designed to become your full store assistant. The goal is to have an assistant that understands what's happening across your store, helps you list products, manage listings, orders, and assists with the day-to-day work of running your business. Instead of constantly switching between different tools and dashboards, you'll have AI working alongside you with real context about your store. It's still in development, but it's easily one of the features I'm most excited to see, because it represents the next step in AI-powered e-commerce automation. Once your products are live, the work doesn't stop there. One of the biggest challenges in online selling is keeping your listings accurate as supplier information changes over time. Products can go out of stock, supplier prices can change, and availability can shift throughout the day. If you're trying to manage all of that manually across multiple products and marketplaces, it's easy for mistakes to happen. This is where Hustle Got Real becomes much more than just a listing tool. The platform continuously helps monitor stock levels and pricing, so you're always working with more up-to-date information. Instead of constantly checking supplier websites yourself, you can let the platform do much of that heavy lifting for you. On screen, I'd show where this monitoring happens inside the dashboard and explain why it's such an important part of running an online selling business. The goal isn't simply to publish products, it's to keep those products accurate so you can spend less time fixing problems and more time growing your business. The final piece of the workflow is what happens after a customer places an order. Getting products listed is important, but having a smooth process after the sale is just as valuable. This is where Hustle Got Real helps connect the different parts of your business by making order management much easier to handle. Instead of treating every order as another manual task, the platform provides automation that helps streamline the fulfillment workflow and reduce repetitive work. As your business grows and you begin managing more products across multiple marketplaces, having those automated processes becomes increasingly valuable. I'll also show the order management section inside the platform so you can see how everything connects together, from product discovery and AI-powered listing creation to publishing, inventory monitoring, and finally, order processing. When you look at the entire workflow, it's easy to see the bigger picture. Hustle Got Real isn't just helping with one specific task. It's bringing together the different pieces of running an online selling business into one AI-powered automation platform.
So if you've been thinking about selling on eBay, but the workflow has always felt too manual or too messy, that's why I think Hustle Got Real is worth checking out. It gives you a structured way to test products, create listings faster with AI, monitor stock and pricing, manage orders, and it's clearly investing in the future with features like MCP and the upcoming AI agent that's designed to become your full store assistant. If you want to check it out for yourself, I'll leave the link in the description. And if you'd like to see a follow-up where I test more products and show what happens once listings start getting traction, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.